Hello, this is Conan Liu. Thanks for purchasing our product, the key prediction. So, this version is very different from others on the market. First of all, the key has a label made of wood, which is more elegant. It looks great and it has its texture. And then you have the gimmick, which can be attached to the whole thing. And you have a magnet. You attach it to the panel, to the gimmick part, and it come out very easily. It can come out very easily. And the whole thing is very simple. The idea is very simple. You need to generate the prediction result right during the performance, right after your spectator name the number, or right after you get the random number. First of all, you need to put on the sticker, which has 4-digit number, which is now 8888, but it can be any number afterwards. Okay, so first of all, you put this, you attach this, you stick it on the gimmick like this. Okay, square it up. Remember, it needs to be at the center. So you will get a lot of this kind of stickers in the package, so don't worry about it. And we also have reviews if you use them up. So you have this gimmick with 4-digit number, and now you show them the keychain and the label, and you place it in your pocket with the label outside, or you can leave the key outside. It's totally up to you. So I will leave it here on the table just for demonstration. And you get the notebook, and you place this one on the notebook like this. Okay, and the notepad goes to your left hand. You hold it like this with the thumb, and you need to tell your audience that you have a room key here. This is a room key with numbers on it, and you show them. You tell them it's a prediction or something, and you have them name any number. For example, let's say 2022. Okay, you write down the 2 over here, and you make this 8 a 2. Okay, first of all, you fill here and here. This is 2. Okay, and you have another spectator name a number. For example, they say 0. Okay, and you just fill this part at the same time. And you need to be talking at the same time. Okay, also remember. Okay, and you have the third number. For example, once again is 2. The same thing. You fill this part. Okay, this is a very, very interesting game. You need to practice it little by little. Okay, and the last one, it can also be 2. But let's challenge myself a little bit. Let's say if the name 4. If the name 4, 2024, you get this. You fill this part like this. Okay. Perfect. So you got the 2024, and now you leave the pen on the table, or you can put it back into your pocket. It's totally up to you. And with your right hand thumb, you push it all the way in between your left hand thumb and the index finger here. Okay, and you tear it down and stick it here or anywhere over this. So you return the pad, and you take the keychain, and your left hand approaches the label. And because of the magnet, they will attach to each other very easily, just like this. You take it and you put it in your left hand very naturally, and it will be like this. And you hold it like this, and you release your thumb, and you won't drop onto the ground, onto the floor because of the magnet. And you push the gimmick little by little, slowly into the position, and square it up, and you tell them this number, 4-digit number, behind the back, and you show them it's exactly the number they generated randomly or they named. It's a perfect match. So this is the room service key prediction we developed, and it has a lot of advantage. It looks good, and it can predict 4-digit number, and it can be done in different presentation. For example, you can generate a number by using a dice. Okay, you roll a number like it's 6, it's 4, it's 9. It's totally random, and it can help you get more time for writing the number on the gimmick. And you can also use many other things to generate a random number to make it more random and impressive. So this is a tool for you to create your own routines, and I hope you like it.